Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Suggestion none. Let's talk about 10 amazing plants that'll keep mosquitoes at bay. And maybe make your neighbors jealous. Number 1, we have lavender. Not only does it smell divine, but it also repels mosquitoes with its aromatic oils. It's like a spa day for your garden. Next up, basil. This kitchen favorite isn't just for pesto, it also keeps those bugs away. Who knew your pasta sauce could double as a bug repellent? Don't forget about marigolds. Their bright flowers aren't just pretty, they contain pyrethrum, a natural insect repellent. Think of them as the bouncers of your garden party. Then there's citronella grass. You've probably heard of citronella candles, right? Well, the grass itself is even more effective. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your backyard. How about some catnip? Your feline friends will love it, and mosquitoes? Not so much. It's a win-win for you and your cat. And then we have rosemary, perfect for seasoning your barbecue and keeping mosquitoes away. Talk about multitasking. Let's not overlook mint. Its refreshing scent is a mosquito's worst nightmare. Plus, mojitos anyone. Eucalyptus is another great one. Its oil is used in many commercial repellents. It's like the celebrity of mosquito-repelling plants. Then there's lemongrass, which contains citronella, another mosquito deterrent. It's like the secret weapon in your garden arsenal. And finally, petunias. These vibrant flowers are a colorful way to keep your yard mosquito-free. Think of them as the confetti at your garden party. So plant these around your backyard and enjoy a mosquito-free summer. Happy gardening! And remember, the only thing biting should be your barbecue.